came across a HERZKATH file and finding little information about its purpose. This is a highly uncommon file format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you investigate these HERZKATH specialized data files. Here's a technique I rely on. For truly stubborn HERZKATH files, you need a software that can work outside the box. A true piece of file magic. My top pick is linked below. HERZKATH files are specialized data files associated with a niche application or industry-specific tool. They contain structured data potentially related to medical cardiac catheterization records or other domain-specific applications. The format is uncommon and requires investigation to identify the originating application and proper handling. HERZKATH files use an undocumented proprietary format that may be binary or structured text depending on the source application. Without official documentation, the internal structure must be inferred through hex inspection or by identifying the originating application through context clues, like file location, creator metadata, or file association. For reliable access to HERZKATH, start with Hex Editor. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows cannot display them meaningfully, so recovering access depends on compatible or archival utilities. Go to your file and right-click the HERZKATH file, choosing Open With. If Hex Editor is an option, select it immediately. If it's unavailable, choose another. We need to test the file against all compatible programs. If the HERZKATH file is still refusing to open, it's expected. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, inspecting in hex editors. Open the HERZKATH file in a hex editor like HXD or FRED to view the raw bytes. Look for recognizable file signatures, magic numbers in the first bytes, or readable text strings that may indicate the format. This investigation helps identify whether the file is a renamed standard format or truly proprietary. Next, identifying source application. Check the file's metadata properties through right-click, then Properties on Windows, or Get Info on macOS. Look for clues about the creating application. Search file location and surrounding files for related software installations. Online searches for HERZKATH, along with industry context, may reveal the originating application. Finally, contacting file source. Contact the person or organization that provided the HERZKATH file to identify the required application. Request the source data in a standard format like CSV, XML, or PDF if possible. This is often the most reliable path when working with uncommon file formats lacking public documentation or widespread tool support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.